Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to send money from Wise to ABA Bank. And if you want to do this, the first thing you need to know is you need to have a verified account. Then after that, what we're going to do is we go here to send and then we search right here for the USA. There we go, United States. And then we fill in right here 100 euros. Then we do add recipient and then we do from here add and then we do bank details and then we do someone else. Then what you see right here is a lot, but we select right here the Swift option and then we fill in right here their email. Then we go right here to full name of the account holder, fill that one in, and then right here fill in the IBAN or account number. Then you fill in right here the Swift or BIC code, and then as the last step right here the country. Then after that you click on continue and then he will send you to the review page where you need to check all your details, and then after that go to the payment page where you can complete your payment. Then after that you send money from Wise to ABA Bank, and this is how it works. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.